Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I welcome you all here in this e-learning. In this class, we'll be solving some exercises based on the trigonometric table and the concepts cooked up in the previous classes. So first of all, I would like to highlight here the trigonometric table for some basic angles. So that's here. It is sine for 0, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, and it is 180 degree, 270, and 360 degree. And for cos and tan, and for other angles, you can take the reciprocal and you can find their values. So you can see in the exercise, we have exercise number 3.3. So here it is question number 1. So the question is like this: sine square up by 6, cos square up by 3, and tan square up by 4. You have to prove that this is equal to minus 1 by 2. So for that, you see, you know that sine of pi by 6, the value of sine pi by 6, you know it very well. So cos of pi by 3, you know it, and tan of pi by 4, you know it. And we have to take the squares and add them, and we have to prove this is equal to minus 1 by 2. How can we solve this? Here I have the solution of this. So it is left hand side. I'll put the values. Sine of pi by 6, you know that's equal to 1 by 2, and cos of pi by 3, you know that's equal to 1 by 2. And here it is the square. It is square here, and tan of pi by 4, that is equal to 1. It's here square. You will add them, so you will get minus 1 divided by 2. That's equal to right hand side. So in this way we can prove this. Question number 2 and question number 3 and question number 4, they are almost same, but I would like to solve one of these questions. Say I would like to solve question number 2. So question number 2 is like this: prove that y sine square of pi by 6 cos x square of 7 pi by 6 and cos x square cos square pi by 3 is equal to 3 by 2. So sine of pi by 6, there is no problem in writing the value of this, but cos x square of 7 pi by 6, 7 pi by 6, we have to break the angle into the known angle. So how can we? We will write it pi plus pi by 6, and this is cos of pi by 3. So cosec of pi plus pi by 6, pi plus pi by 6 means it is in the third quadrant. So up to second quadrant, you will complete pi angle. In the third quadrant you will go and you will measure the pi by 6 angle. So this is equal to minus cosec of pi by 6, because in the third quadrant cosec is negative, and cosec will remain cosec because it is actually the even multiple of pi by 2. Okay, so this is minus cosec of pi by 6, and here it is a square, so it's minus 2 square, and here it is cos of pi by 3, that's 1 by 4, 1 by 2, its square is 1 by 4. You'll solve this. This will become 4 by 4, that's equal to 1, and you will get at the end 3 by 2. So in this way you can solve third and fourth question. Now you see question number 5. Find the value of, we have to find the value of the sine of 75 degree. Sine of 75 degree, how can we find that? You see the question number 3 I have also solved here, and question number 4, they are also solved, and you can see these questions from these solutions, but you try yourself. So question number 5 is, first part is sine of 75 degree. Sine of 75 degree can be written as sine of 45 plus 30 degree. So this is equal to sine of 45 cos of 30 degree, cos of 45 sine of 30 degree. So this is sine of, we can use here the formulas sine of a plus b, that is sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. Yes. So after that we will substitute the values. See here, sine 45 we will write the value, cos of 30 we will write the value, cos of 45 we will write the value, and sine of 30 we will write say accordingly value, and we will add and multiple these. We will get under root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 under root 2. So this was a crude angle, and it was not known to people, so we can find the value of such angles also with the help of the formula we have already discussed. Next one is tan of 15 degree. You can write it 45 minus 30. Yes, it's 45 minus 30, and use the formula tan of a minus b and solve this. Next is question number 6. You see from the book, Question number 6 is prove that this is equal to sine of x plus y. So how can we write this? There are two methods you can solve this. The first method I have written it here, that is cos of pi by 4 minus x, cos of pi by 4 minus y, minus sine of pi by 4 minus x, sine of pi by 4 minus y. You have to prove this is equal to sine of x plus y. So how can we write this? We have multiplied and divided 1 by 2 to the first quantity, and 1 by 2 multiply and divide it to the second term. After that, we have used the formula twice cos A cos B. That's equal to cos of it's twice cos A cos B. Okay, that's equal to cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. And here it is minus twice sine A sine B. So it is cos of A plus B minus cos of A minus B. Okay, this formula we have used. After that, we will add and multiply. So 2 and 2 gets cancelled. We are left with only, you see here two terms get cancelled. Which one? It's cos of pi by 4 minus x, cos of pi by 4 minus y, cos of pi by 4 minus x. It's positive, it's negative. Okay, these will get cancelled. It will get cancelled with this one, and you are left with only two terms, and they are like terms. Yeah, so it becomes twice. So 2 and 2 gets cancelled. You are left with this term. You can see here it is in the addition pi by 4 and pi by 4, that's pi by 2 minus x plus y, pi by 2 minus x plus y, cos of 90 minus theta, that is equal to sine theta. With the help of cofunctions you can solve this. And next method you can apply here, that's cos A cos B minus sine A sine B. That is cos A cos B minus, that is sine of A, cos A cos B minus sine A sine, that's cos of A plus B. So cos of A plus B is cos of 90 plus cos of pi by 4 minus x plus cos of plus pi by 4 minus y. Pi by 4 pi by 4, that's pi by 2 minus x. So at the end you will also get this one, cos of 90 minus pi x plus y. So this will be equal to sine of x plus y. With the help of that formula you can also solve this. So next is question number 7, 8, 9, 10. Up to question number 9, the situation is same. And I have even solved the questions here. You can see here is question number 7. I have used here the formula tan of A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. Tan of A minus B is equal to tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A tan B. So we have used these formula in order to solve these questions. And here question number 8, very simple, cos of pi plus x, cos of sine of pi minus x, and here the complementary function concept is used. You see, it's very simple. Question number 9, once again same. Here the concept of the complementary function, cos of odd multiple of pi by 2 plus x, and cos of even multiple of pi by 2, even multiple of pi by 2 plus x, cot of odd multiple of pi by 2 minus x, and cot of even multiple of pi by 2 plus x we have used. So you see, we can solve this and you get this. This and this gets cancelled, and you are left with sine square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. So these questions are very simple, but question number 10, it's also the same. There's nothing new, but it's in terms of n, and you see sine of, it's sine A sine B plus cos A cos B. So what is it? It is, we can write it the other way around. So it is cos A cos B plus sine A sine B. So it's cos of A minus B. So it's cos of A minus B. It is cos of n plus 1 into x minus cos of n plus 2 into x. So that is n and n goes, you are left with cos of minus x, cos of minus is equal to cos x, and that's the solution. Or other method I have used here, that's I have solved this with the help of this formula, minus twice sine of A plus, that's cos of A plus B minus cos of A minus B, and twice cos A cos B, that is equal to cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. So for this I have used one formula, for this I have used one formula. I have added up these and we get this. At the end we will get also cos of minus x, that's equal to cos of x, because in the fourth quadrant cos is always times positive. So this way we have solved 10 questions. The rest of all the questions will be solved in the next lecture. Thank you for joining the class.